Alright, so this is going to be the very last video. Again, it's kind of mixed practice here with a few different methods. And again, each situation we're going to have to do something a little bit different. And I want to show you what it looks like to solve one of these at the end. So again, I might practice one or two here and then just give you time to work on your own on the rest of them. Again, I will post the solutions like to the whole worksheet. That way, any questions that you want to check, you can go ahead and just look at my solutions in case you missed something in the videos. Okay, so number 5, again, we're going to practice together here. And the one additional step here, again, if you read through the directions for this one, it says to factor and solve. So we're going to want to solve it as well. Okay, so again, I'm going to start off with thinking, what method should I use? Again, I don't see a GCF. I see a 1 in front here, a 12, and a negative 20. Again, there might be a GCF between 12 and 20, but again, I have a 1 here, so there is not going to be a GCF. Okay, I want to make sure I set it equal to 0. So again, I want to move over the 20 to the left, so I have to add a 20 to the left side. And again, I have a trinomial. I have 3 terms. I'm going to use the method where I'm finding, again, what multiplies to the last term and adds to the one in the middle. So I want to multiply to 20, and I want to add to 12. Okay, again, I'm just going to list a few factors. And again, we can try a few out first before we start listing hundreds of them. Okay, if I add 1 and 20, that gets you to 21, not 12, so it's not that one. Again, if I add 4 and 5, that gets you to 9, not 12, so it's not that one. And if I add 2 and 10, it gets you to 12, so those are exactly the 2 factors I want. Again, I want a 2, and I want a 10, because those will multiply to 20 and add to 12 for me. Okay, so again, those are the factors. So if I asked you to factor that polynomial, that's what you would end up with. Okay, then there's this additional step of solving. So how do we solve something that looks like this? Probably easier than you think. Okay, so what we're going to do is take each set of parentheses as its own equation. That's why we're setting it equal to 0. So I have x plus 2 equals 0 and x plus 10 equals 0. These are pretty much 2 mini linear equations that you're going to solve here. So again, to solve this, I just have to subtract 2. So my x is equal to negative 2, and my x is equal to negative 10. Okay, I'm just going to do this one example in this video because I want you to focus on it. Again, if you need me to re-explain anything, you can always just ask me any questions through the chat. Again, I don't want to overwhelm you with too many videos. I hope these were helpful for you. But again, I will post in just a few minutes. Again, you'll see on our Teams page in the same folder you found this, I will post the solutions to all of these so you can check how you did on them. Again, just go ahead and keep practicing. There's like 3 more questions for you to try. And then there will be 2 word problems we'll do at the end together as a class.